How to save a document from WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can save any documents that has been sent to you in your WhatsApp account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app and get logged into your WhatsApp account. Now tap on any chat that you would like to save the documents of. In order to save this document, long tap onto the document that you would like to save and tap on three-dot icon on your top right. From here, tap on to share, open up a down bar menu. From here, tap on to drive option, name the document whatever you want and tap on to save on your top right. And this is how you save the documents. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.